Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create Gamepass in Roblox. Please donate. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, open up your Roblox app. So after tapping on it here, you have to tap on the below right corner of option settings. So after tapping on it, now here you guys have to just scroll down and you guys can be able to see an option which is create. So after tapping on create, it will redirect you to creator section. So you just have to tap on the top left corner of three lines. So after tapping on it, you guys can be able to see a bunch of options. You guys have to tap on dashboard. You just have to tap on any of the one which is public. So after tapping on it, now you guys have to again tap on top left corner of options. So here you guys have to just scroll down and here you have to tap on passes. And here you guys have to tap on create a pass. So after tapping on it, now you guys have to change the profile picture. After changing the profile picture, you guys have to tap the name, and here you have to typing the name, you guys have to add a description which is necessary. So after adding description, you guys have to just tap on create pass. So it will take some time. And now you guys can see your pass has been created. Now what you have to do is you guys just have to tap on it. What you have to do is you just have to tap on the top left corner of options. Here you have to tap on the second option which is sales. You just have to toggle on the first option which is item for sale. After toggling it on, you guys can be able to get paid, and here you have to type the price in Roblox. And keep in mind that Roblox will keep 30% of revenue. So let's suppose I'm typing here 10 Roblox. So keep in mind that Roblox will keep 3 and you will get 7 Roblox coins. So after tapping on it, just tap on save changes. So here guys, we have completely made a pass which is Roblox. Please donate. That's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.